guys, welcome back to the Kernel. Today we are making a beet hummus. This recipe is vegetarian and actually vegan, and it's great if you're doing Whole30, paleo, or if you just want to switch up your regular hummus to something a little bit more colorful. So today we are going to be using beets that I found in the refrigerated section at my local Kroger. I've also seen them at Walmart occasionally, and they are just pre-cooked beets. You can definitely use canned beets or fresh beets. You can cook them in your Instant Pot or in the oven or boil them. Essentially, you just need canned beets, but I'm going to be using these today because it's faster and I don't want to spend a lot of time waiting for my beets to cook. We are also going to be using these Wild About sprouts just to add some extra veggies and color and a little bit of crunch to our hummus when we're done. So let's get started. Beet hummus is a little bit tangier and sweeter than regular hummus and is a really great and healthy snack. It's made with really easy to find ingredients and takes just a few minutes to whip up at home. To make this beet hummus, you'll need 6 cooked beets. You can use canned, buy them pre-cooked, or cook your own. You'll need garlic. I personally used 6 cloves, but you can adjust this to your tasting preferences. 1/4 cup of tahini, lemon juice, salt, cumin or your favorite preferred spices, and you can choose to top your hummus with Wild About Sprouts clover sprouts for some nice extra crunch. Start by adding all of your ingredients into a food processor. If you have a powerful blender, you could use that as well. You can adjust the amount of seasonings used to fit your personal preferences. Personally, I used the juice from 1 lemon, about 1/2 teaspoon of salt to start, and about 1/2 teaspoon of cumin to start. I also used 6 cloves of garlic. You can adjust any or all of these to fit your personal preferences, of course, but I recommend starting with a smaller amount and adding more later if needed. Once all of your ingredients are in the blender, just put the lid on tightly and mix it until everything is thoroughly incorporated. I recommend tasting your hummus at this point to see if you need to add in any extra seasonings. I did go ahead and add in just a little bit of extra salt and cumin to give it the flavor that I wanted. Like I mentioned, you can add in any seasonings that you'd like. I think that rosemary or thyme would add a really nice touch here. If you decide to experiment with different ingredients, please let me know down in the comments what you think would sound good. And just like that, within just a few moments, you've created a really healthy and delicious hummus. This step is optional, but I really do recommend topping your hummus with some Wild About Sprouts clover sprouts or your favorite kind of sprout for some extra crunch and flavor. You can serve your hummus right away, or you can store it in the refrigerator for up to a week. This hummus is great with sliced veggies, with crackers, with bread, on wraps. Really, you can enjoy it any way that you've ever enjoyed hummus before. As always, thank you so much for watching my channel. Please make sure to like this video as well as to leave a comment down below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can be sure to see future content. Thanks for watching and have a great day.